In the wide open world of the African veldt, the presence of the largest terrestrial creature on the planet is unmistakable: the elephant. But when you're this big, there's hardly a reason to hide. Africa is home to two of the world's 3 living species of elephant: the smaller forest elephant and the truly enormous Savannah elephant. Continuing to grow throughout their long lives, male Savannah elephants can reach heights of 4 meters and weights of over 6 tons. Relatively slow-moving and conspicuous amongst the low-lying grassland of the veldt, their sheer size affords protection from the savanna's myriad predators. But size comes at a cost. The huge volume of food required to sustain their frames means that elephants must spend around 20 hours every day grazing, consuming hundreds of kilos of vegetation in the process. Vast quantities of water are also required, and on the baking plains of the savannah, water can be a notoriously unreliable resource. The elephants have a solution: their trunk. Considered the most versatile appendage in the animal kingdom, elephants' trunks are made up of over 40,000 muscles. By comparison, the entire human body has just 639. Used for tasks as diverse as fighting, feeding, and courting, the trunk is also a supreme organ of smell, and elephants are able to use their trunks to detect water over 19 kilometers away. Steadily traversing the immense grassland plains, these giant pachyderms are able to cope with the extreme heat of their environment through another specialized adaptation: their ears. Resembling the shape of continental Africa, the savanna elephant's enlarged ears not only enable a heightened sense of hearing, but also an efficient cooling system. Presenting a large, thin area of skin, as the elephant's blood passes through the many veins of their ears, heat is readily transferred back to the environment, reducing the elephant's body temperature by as much as 9 degrees Celsius. Perhaps the elephant's greatest adaptation to their environment is their brain. Highly intelligent, elephants have the largest brain of any land animal. As long-lived animals, the elephant's famous long memory is a vital asset. Guiding herds through times of drought by recalling the location of distant water and food sources unvisited in decades. The complex social bonds of elephant herds are also served by complex brain functions, allowing behaviors associated with grief, humor, and possibly even language. One adaptation that has not served the elephant well is their tusks. Used to clear debris, dig for food, and in fighting, these elongated teeth are made of ivory and are highly valued by humans. Hunting for ivory decimated African elephant populations until restrictions on the international ivory trade stopped the decline. Today, there are positive signs, with elephant numbers stabilizing. But poachers continue to threaten elephants, and constant vigilance is required to protect them.